It's 11:37. I've just finished replying to emails I should have answered this morning. I missed a client booking. Again. Because their reply was buried. Honestly, my inbox feels like a swamp, and I've lost the map.
What if your inbox didn't just organize itself, but whispered the important stuff in your ear while you slept?
This is How to Use AI and Automation. Here's Tony Wynyard.
Today, we're taking back control of your inbox, your calendar, and maybe your evenings. If you're a solopreneur, a coach, a consultant, or just someone whose inbox feels like it's shouting at you, this one's for you. You'll learn how to build an AI email assistant, why sorting isn't the same as prioritizing, and which tools actually save you time without turning your replies into robot speak. Meet Emma, branding consultant, one-woman powerhouse, also owner of 241 unread emails, 13 flagged, 5 marked urgent, all buried under newsletters and no reply threads. She didn't need a cleaner. She needed a whisperer. Emma shared her screen. No shame. Just frustration.
I don't need perfect. I just need it to stop wasting my time.
Did you know the average small business owner spends 2.6 hours a day just on email? Most of it, low priority. Stuff you meant to unsubscribe from 3 months ago. But AI is changing that, especially if you combine the right tools. Here's the inbox whisperer system we built for Emma. Superhuman, for a clean, fast interface. ChatGPT plus Zapier, to summarize long threads into just 3 bullet points. SaneBox, filters out the fluff and boosts real conversations. Gmail plus Notion, for automatic follow-up logs. And the best part, she now dictates replies during her dog walks, with voice to AI shortcuts. Encouraging, Emma now checks her inbox twice a day. Her response time down by 60%. Time saved each week, 8 hours. Her inbox is no longer a swamp. It's a whispering assistant saying, here's what matters. Your inbox doesn't need to be tamed, just trained. Let AI be the filter. You be the focus. You can download the free Inbox Whisperer setup guide. The link is in the show notes. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you or hear you in the next one.
This episode is also available as a video with visuals and demos on YouTube and Spotify. Just search for How to Use AI and subscribe while you're there. If you'd like some live help, Tony runs a free webinar on the first Monday of every month. The next one's on Monday, the 7th of July. He walks you through practical AI tips, and you can bring your own challenges too. It's free, it's friendly, and you're very welcome to ask questions about this episode or anything else AI related. Finally, if you're not already in the How to Use AI Facebook group, come and join us.